Cozumel.
¿Se están divirtiendo? ¿Sí? ¡Woo! Hi everyone, V and Adrian here. Today we are at Marina Caleta. This is the meeting point for the snorkel tour at the glass bottom boat Cubana.
Yes, I'm very excited. Very sunburned from our previous tours.
We're like tomatoes right now.
Yeah, actually, and I'm gonna have to wear a shirt because I can't get much more sunburned. I'm gonna be like a little toast.
There are two alternative meeting points for this activity. We could meet you at Barracuda Hotel or at Tacos, Buckets and Tequila in the Royal Village Plaza. So if you don't have a means to get here, we can find you there.
Yeah, and we'll take you. We'll make sure you get here safely, and then we'll be with you on the boat.
We won't, but.
Well, we won't, but the staff will.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to say. We'll get on, and we'll see you on the boat.
Welcome to Cozumel.
All right, guys. Well, we're at our first stop. This is Villa Blanca.
That's it. We're going in. Bye. We're about to go to the second spot. ¿Se están divirtiendo? ¿Sí? ¡Woo! I'm not snorkeling right now because I cannot do this anymore. I am tired. So yeah. But Adrian is, let's see how he's feeling.
You good?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm just about ready. I got my flippers on. I'm still happy. I'm still energetic. Very sunburned, but this is helping me out a lot.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna go down there. My voice sounds weird because the voice vibrating.
Yeah.
I got out of tune. But yeah, no, I'm excited. And you're gonna stay on the boat.
Bye.
Meanwhile.
Did you have fun? ¿Te gustó? Sí, mucho.
Right.
How was it?
It was fun. It was really good fun. The current was really strong. I liked it though. It was really pretty. I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. I tried my hardest to get some good shots. I hope like whatever I got works and you like it, but you missed out.
Honestly, I can't complain.
All right. Just wanted to say that if you enjoyed it and everything, and you want to see more vlogs or more content of us, just
subscribe, please. We are begging you to do it. We need you to do it.
Okay, well, she said.
Yeah.
What she said.
What I
All right.
said.
Well, we'll see you on the next one. I'm definitely gonna go sleep.
I want some chips. I guess crisps if you're from UK.
You want to go eat and then sleep? I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah. I agree with that. I agree.
Thank you so much for watching this bar. I will proceed to let you know my thoughts about this tour. This is a rather short one. It was about 2 hours long, but I think it works perfectly if you're coming on a cruise ship. I do have to mention that the meeting point has changed. It is now at Hotel El Cid La Ceiba, or an alternative meeting point that's Hotel Barracuda. I would highly recommend this for people that are snorkeling for the first time. The crew was fantastic. They took care of us, Julian, Braulio, Captain Carlos. They were so kind. I loved the spots we visited. One of them, Villa Blanca, the first one, they told us that they're trying to restore corals there. That was fun, and they had some cool statues. Another thing I loved was the glass bottom. It's like a big window in the middle of the boat, and you get to see what's happening underneath while you're like cruising. Something I didn't like that much was the weather. It was kind of windy and the current was pushing me a little bit. So again, that is, be mindful of it. Overall, I think this was a pretty fun activity. I give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much, Safe Tours Cozumel, for having us. And thank you so much to you for staying till the end and watching us.